This is our 5-minute episode. Let's do this. Alright, I am gonna go.
Dude, douchebag, this is gonna be so sweet when you double cross Kyle at the last minute, huh? Am I right?
Okay, let's go. Curry.
Got us in there with the stick. Commander Douchebag, lead us to victory.
Do it! We're gonna do this! Yeah! We're gonna.
Back away from the deck, wizard fat ass.
You're a traitor, douchebag. How could you?
Because he knows who the cool kids are. Go ahead and kick Carter's ass, you kid.
I brought you into the game. I made friends with you before anybody else would.
He doesn't want to play with Cheater.
I understand the elves have clouded your mind. Fight it, you kid. Come back to life. Attack Kyle.
What are you waiting for, dude?
Punch him right in his smug little lying face.
Get up, you kid. It's not me you should be fighting, it's him. So pick a side.
Kick his ass, douchebag. I can't believe this is even a choice.
Laser sword.
Good to see you alive, Commander Douchebag. It's a double agent, you dumbass. He's been working for us all along. Right, Douchebag?
Who's.
You're too good a person to be working for Cartman.
Don't listen to them, douchebag. No, you aren't.
Good to see you alive, Commander Douchebag.
What are you waiting for? Kill the wizard.
What?
Oh, you motherfucker! I knew you were a fucking douchebag.
Yeah, oh, I'm supposed to hit one of them. Be right up!
I thought what we had together was real, douchebag.
Oh, jeez, now I gotta fight the wizard? Oh, jeez, okay. Bull rush, I guess. Oh, gosh, Kermit has that much health?
I'll get you back.
Wow, that really got him. Uh-oh.
Traitor!
Ooh. Wow, he can do that's awesome. I should attack Kyle. After I should have chose this. Heh. Oh, he poured cooler on me. Fine then. If this guy's gonna play that nerdy. Come in!
Hey, will you go to a restaurant with me? Because I like to be taken out to dinner before I get fucked!
Boss fight. Alright, guys, we gotta choose this. Gotta ram him. Let's do this. Cheesy curves.
Take out, you bitch! Yeah!
It's very
That's
powerful.
all I did for you! You think this is funny, you son of a bitch?
Almost got him.
Fucking Judas!
Trying to blowtorch me? He's trying to blowtorch me. That's kind of cool.
Lucky shot!
Wow, you're just
You're
really
gonna pay! There's only one Grand Wizard of the KKK.
Sorry guys, gotta reconnect the controller. I gotta mash it, 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 mash it. I gotta be good. Keep on tapping. Get some tapping. Oh Oh, he's gonna be me, he's gonna be me, he's gonna be me, he's gonna be me. I can't beat him. He's too powerful. His fart. This just never stops. There. Coming. Jesus, this guy's really hot, really close. I'm about dead.
Hey, you fucking suck! There's only one
Oh,
grand.
come on!
Okay?
Oh, come on again! I must beat his farts. Come on, come on, come on, beat his little fat good. I gotta beat him. Oh gosh, it's killing. Oh, forget it. Just let him kill me. He can't beat me up quick enough. Alright. Take that. Help push him large. Hey, let me now, sucker. Alright. Time for the holy hammer of smithing.
Hey, no fair. Here.
Coming!
There's only one grand.
Alright guys, I gotta stop this video here. Goodbye.